Why is it important to have income streams? What is income streams? How will it help me? I don't know. Hi guys, my name is Karan and you are welcome. In today's video, we will talk about something called as income streams. So what is an income stream? In simple terms, the source from which you generate money is an income stream, which is giving you income month after month is an income stream. So for a layman, your job is an income stream. To be honest, it is one income stream. In this video, my intention is to uh, encourage people, encourage every one of you to have multiple income streams. Maybe 10. Imagine, just imagine you have a job and you make, let's say, 60,000 rupees, and you have another five sources of income from where you make 60,000 each. Will you like it? I'm sure you will, because you will love to work in that job because you don't have to worry. We are worried in a job because we are not creating income streams, and trust me, there are ways you can create income streams. So guys, in this video we will check how we can create more income streams. The importance, you are already aware. If I make 100 rupees from one source, vis a vis if I make 10 rupees from 10 sources, I will be more secure in option number 2, because if my one income source dries up, I will still get 90 rupees. That is the whole logic. That is the whole logic. Okay, and why in the future we will know the importance of income stream. Just hear me out. We are saving, we are investing, mutual funds, NPS, lot of things. What is the guarantee? When you will need the money, maybe the stock market will crash. We see wars happening. We see so many geopolitical situations happening. There is no guarantee. We have to have multiple income streams. So, how can we develop multiple income streams? That is the next logical question. We know the importance, because to have a secure future, because future is unpredictable. That is the why, right? We have to have the why cleared, because normally it is the why that creates the bigger problem than the how is still the easy part, but 95% is the why do I need to explore how to create multiple income streams? Why? Guys, clear your why. Study, read, discuss, chat, talk, because you have to put efforts. If the job is gone, everything is gone. Many times you might not be able to get a job right, out of the fly. You will have to wait. I don't know. 2023 uh, started with a bad note. Companies are laying off people. I have seen all the big brands, Microsoft, Google, TCS, Wipro, everybody is laying off people. So the time is right for us to explore how to create multiple income streams. Okay, so now let's talk about how. Job is your one income stream. Okay, apart from that, you can do some consultancy, right? You can do some consultancy, you can do some tuitions, you can do some freelancing work. Okay, you can do some video recording. You can share your talent, maybe teach people, because you have gained so much of experience in all these years. You can teach people. Okay, try to have a property which will give you rent in the future. That is one income stream which you can gain, right? There are certain uh, pension plans, right, which you can take one pension plan which will create one income stream for you. Let's say a Atal Pension Yojana, or maybe a Jeevan Umang, maybe any other pension plan from a good financial institution like LIC or something. So apart from that, you have to keep exploring maybe a small business on the side, right? Maybe blogging, maybe YouTube, uh, a small startup along, in the family. You can get into a startup kind of a setup where you can devote over the weekend. You can work and develop some income for yourself. So these are some of the ideas which will give you some encouragement to start. Okay, because see, if I am dependent on only one income, I will always have stress. But if I continuously think and develop and work hard in building other streams, trust me, you'll be a lot happier because you have a mission, right? Doing one job is easy. We all have been doing it. But once you get onto a mission, guys, you will respect yourself more. Maybe it is a journey of self-respect. Maybe it's a journey to prove ourselves that yes, I can. So, guys, I think that's the right attitude. It's a journey to prove I can. We can, basically. We can be our own boss. We can create multiple income sources. We can be entrepreneurs. Trust me, every person in this country can be an entrepreneur because we were a land of entrepreneurs. If you just scratch the history books, everybody in the past were an entrepreneur. They were doing their own businesses, and they used to exchange their goods and services. That's how we were. But now the industrial revolution came, and then these jobs were created. People lost their entrepreneurship skills. Maybe that's the right pronunciation. So we have to go back, guys. The answer to all our problems is in the history. India has always been a land of entrepreneurs. So don't be hesitant to do, maybe pick up small startups. I have seen people making lakhs of rupees just by selling samosas and teas. What's wrong in it? What's wrong in it? Yes, I am encouraging you to pick up entrepreneurship. Why? Because it is in our DNA, it is in our genes. Our forefathers, they were all working for themselves. But yeah, everybody cannot do it. It's fine, acceptable. But if our thoughts are aligned, if you are aligned to my thought process, then we need to continuously work to create multiple sources of income. You may call it source of income, you may call it income streams, whatever. But the intention is that you earn self respect, you earn financial freedom. End of the day, I have to face myself. If if I think, if I have a feeling of a loser, if I have to go to office and do a yes ma'am or yes sir, even though I don't respect that individual, there is no fun. Life is boring, right? You understand, right? So all of us do it, right? We have to agree to nonsense as well in the corporate world, you know that. And it is only because we are not creating income streams. So, guys, time has come that we should leave our laziness and just get the job done. It is easy. Getting success is easy as compared to being a failure throughout our life and have sleepless nights and keep on thinking, will I have this job the next year, or I have to go job hunting? Okay, so guys, think, read, study, and get the job done. We have to get the job done for ourselves, for our family, for India. Okay, guys, so all the best. We are together in this journey. and we will keep talking. Thanks.